Hey everybody, it's Cheryl Lawson, and I just had to stop at the 2014 CES because, of course, Precious and Rocky would want me to find out more about this product. Hi Emily, please tell us about Voice.
Sure, this is the Voice Band. It's wearable technology for dogs. It has integrated onboard sensors that are non-invasive. The sensors collect continuous data, including everything from certain vital signs, as well as activity, rest, distance traveled, calories. The vital signs include heart rate, respiratory rate. Those are taken when the dog is at rest, so you can compare baselines and trends over time. They'll tell when your dog's heart rate may be increasing or decreasing. That may be a sign that something's going on that you need to take a further look and talk to your vet about. Furthermore, it includes push content. We'll send you relevant articles to your dog. So if you've got a lab versus a pit bull versus a poodle, there's going to have different things you're interested in, different grooming advice, different training advice, nutrition articles. So everything from behavior, training, cognition, help you understand what your dog's thinking. Why when you come home from work, your dog wants to come up and smell your face and your hair and your ear. They want to check out what you've been eating through the day, who you've been with, where you've been, and they can sense all those things through smell. So it helps you understand your dog's behaviors, understand what your dog might be feeling, when you may need to go to the vet. And you know, we love our dogs, and we want them to have a healthy, happy life, and however we can do to help them makes us happy.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you.